right, we're going to do a gentle nervous system reset. This is going to help you feel calmer, more centered, more like yourself, and less anxious. Let's get started. Take a deep breath in and out. We're going to start tapping at the hand. So this point is going to help us release grief. So if we have some grief that we have stored up, it's going to help us to release some of that, just to alleviate a little bit of the tension in our body that we may be feeling due to it being stuck in there. Good. Let's go to the top of the head. This is going to help us to release any looping thoughts that we've had, put us into the parasympathetic nervous system. Good. I'm starting to feel that energy shifting. We're starting to downshift into the parasympathetic nervous system. I feel some grief wanting to leave. Good. Let's go to the inner eyebrow. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go to the outside of the eye. Good. This is releasing frustration and anger. Excuse me, that's the parasympathetic nervous system. Deep breath in and out. We want the exhale to be longer than the inhale. Let's go under the eye. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This is helping to release control. Good. Feel the energy shifting and going down the back of my neck and spine. Let's go under the nose. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. This helps connect the mind and the body. When we experience trauma and overwhelm, we check out, and this helps to get us back into our body so that we can process the energy and information. Because when we experience something that is traumatic or overwhelming, we make a memory of it through our feeling and what we saw. And they stay forever disconnected until we reconnect them through tapping or something else, other somatic practices. Let's go under the chin, or under the lip, on the chin. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. This helps us to release any tension that we have in our throat, in our mouth, in our jaw, around not speaking our truth to others or ourselves. So we are usually unkind to ourselves. So this helps us to release some of that energy, as well as if we're feeling blocked on writing or expressing ourselves through painting or dancing. There's lots of different ways in which we express ourselves. So this can get clogged up if we feel like we can't be our true self. Good. Let's go here. So there's 2 points right here, K27, where we want to tap. This one helps with releasing fear. Good. So if we're feeling a lot of fear right now, we can release that by tapping here. Deep breath in and out. Good. I feel my tailbone releasing. So when we are in fight or flight, our energy gets tight and in a ball, and our tailbone actually tucks under like a animal in the wild. They tuck themselves into a ball, and this is helping to release that. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go to the center of the chest. We're going to tap right here. Too often we are unkind to ourselves, and this helps to release some of that grief of how we've talked to ourselves, and also offers compassion and forgiveness. Good. Yeah. Feeling the jaw relax a little bit more. Good. I'm feeling a yawn coming on. Good. Let's go to the outside of the body. So On the right side, we're releasing anger. On the left side, worry and overthinking. So it's just moving out some of that energy and information that's at the surface that's wanting to be released so that we don't feel like a pressure cooker that's about to explode all the time. It's going to help to decrease some of that tension, some of that angst, some of that anxiety, that overwhelm. Good. Deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go to the outside of the hand. It's the karate chop point. Deep breath in and out. I'm feeling a yawn coming on. Good. You can go to the top of the head. So I get a lot of questions about how many times should I tap on each spot. You can tap 7 to 8 times or as long as you feel necessary. I go until my intuition tells me that I should just move on to the next point. So I tap until that time. Good. Let's go to the inner eyebrow. Good. Another yawn. Whew. The yawn is a sign that we're releasing unconscious energy and emotion, and our nervous system is resetting to the parasympathetic nervous system, where we are in rest, digest, and heal. Good. Let's go to the outside of the eye. So you can either tap for a gentle reset, which is what we're doing right now, or you can tap and talk about your feelings, which is going to be more like traditional EFT, and that'll help you to release fears, limiting beliefs, and trauma. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Tapping is very helpful before sleep because it's helping to prepare your body to fall asleep. And if you take a look at the other videos I've done, you'll see that a lot of people are really benefiting from that. And if you're benefiting from it, leave it in the comments. Let other people know that it's working for you so they can feel the confidence to try it before bed. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We all got to support each other. If tapping's working for you and it's helping to heal something within you, you let people know. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. I love this community. You guys are all doing so great. So supportive, so loving, and I really appreciate it. Deep breath in and out. Good. Another yawn. See, my breathing there just did what a cry sounds like. So, you know when you're a kid and you get really upset and at the end you're like, that's what my body just did. So I was obviously releasing some grief. Let's go out here. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. I feel a yawn coming on again. Feel my tailbone releasing more. Good. Deep breath in and out. So that was just 2 rounds of tapping. So you can continue to tap if you want to feel even better, but you don't have to. This might have been a good enough reset. You can tap as long as an hour or even an hour and a half. It just depends on what you want to accomplish. Like, are you working on some fears? Are you working on limiting beliefs? Are you working on some trauma from the past? Take a deep breath in and out. We're almost at the 10-minute mark. We're going to take a deep breath in and out one more time. And we're going to place our hands over our heart, and we are going to hold it there for 20 seconds to release oxytocin, which is super healing for the body, helps us to bond with ourselves and others, and just heal the body in general. I love you. Thank you for tapping with me.